In a world where our smartphones have become indispensable, wouldn't it be great to turn your screen time into real money? Welcome to the digital age of effortless earnings. In this video, we'll unveil 9 remarkable user-friendly apps that reward you with actual cash just for watching videos on your phone. Whether you're looking to make some extra income during your daily commute or unwind while turning your leisure time into a lucrative venture, these apps have got you covered. Get ready to discover a world where your phone screen is not just for entertainment, but a gateway to financial rewards. It's time to sit back, relax, and earn as we explore the top apps that make watching videos a profitable pastime. But before we begin, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Let's get started. Number 1. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a popular rewards app that lets you earn Swagbucks, points by watching videos on your mobile device. You can also accumulate points through various other activities like taking surveys, shopping online, or playing games. These SB points can be redeemed for gift cards from major retailers or cash through PayPal. Number 2. Inbox Dollars. Inbox Dollars is another well-established platform that rewards you for watching videos. The app offers a variety of ways to earn, including paid surveys, reading emails, and playing games. You can request a payout once you've reached a specified minimum balance, usually through checks or PayPal. Number 3. Perk TV. Perk TV allows you to earn points by watching videos, movie trailers, and app trailers. These points can be redeemed for gift cards, merchandise, or even sweepstakes entries. The more videos you watch, the more points you can earn. Number 4. Slidejoy. Slidejoy is a unique app that pays you for viewing ads on your phone's lock screen. You'll earn carrots, which can be exchanged for cash or gift cards. The more you use your phone, the more ads you'll see, and the more you can earn. Number 5. App Trailers. App Trailers rewards you with points for watching short video trailers of mobile apps and games. These points can be converted into gift cards from popular retailers or cash via PayPal. It's a straightforward way to earn a little extra cash in your free time. Number 6. Vindale Research. Vindale Research primarily focuses on paid surveys, but they also offer video surveys. You can earn money by watching these video surveys and providing your opinions. Once you accumulate enough earnings, you can request a payout through PayPal. Number 7. Irazu. Irazu is a rewards app that offers multiple ways to earn, including watching videos, taking surveys, and completing various online tasks. You can redeem your points for gift cards, PayPal cash, or other rewards once you've reached the required minimum balance. Number 8. Cash Pirate. Cash Pirate is an app that rewards you with coins for watching videos, trying out new apps, and completing offers. The earned coins can be exchanged for gift cards or PayPal cash. It's a flexible way to earn money in your spare time. Number 9. AppNana. AppNana is a mobile app that provides multiple avenues for users to accumulate points known as nanas in exchange for various activities. While watching videos is one method of earning nanas, the app offers a range of other opportunities, including testing new apps, playing games, completing surveys, or participating in different offers. This diverse set of activities allows users to earn nanas at their convenience. Accumulated nanas can be redeemed for rewards, such as gift cards from a variety of retailers or even cash through PayPal. Before getting started with any of these apps, be sure to check their terms and conditions, payment thresholds, and user reviews to ensure they are legitimate and still active. While these apps can provide some extra income, they are not a replacement for a full-time job. As we come to the end of this video, remember that keep learning, keep growing, and keep exploring. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Hit the bell so you never miss out on our new videos. Place your comment below to let us know what topics you are interested in knowing.